What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to install the RTR Rear Spoiler on your 15 to 21 Mustang GT or EcoBoost. Inside your box, you're going to find your installation instructions, alcohol wipes and adhesion promoter, drill template for all vehicles not equipped with factory spoiler, and your RTR rear spoiler. For this installation, we use a 10mm socket wrench, and a body clip removal tool. Start by unscrewing the rubber stoppers on either side of the trunk latch. Using your body clip removal tool, remove the latch cover. Using your body clip removal tool, pry free the 9 fir tree pins securing the carpet to the decklid panel. Then slide your emergency trunk release through the carpet to enable you to remove it and set it to the side. Next, remove the 2 rubber grommets on either side of the decklid panel, granting you access to the 2 10mm nuts. And if needed, angle the decklid panel to prevent the nut from falling into the decklid. In the center opening, remove the last 2 10mm nuts securing the OEM spoiler in place. Then remove your OEM spoiler. This will require some force and possibly even the use of your body clip removal tool. I left this car sitting in the sun for a little while to help soften up the OEM adhesive. Remove as much of the stock double-sided tape as you can by hand before soaking the area in an adhesive remover to get rid of the remaining. Once completed, use a mild soap and water solution to clean the entirety of the decklid. Once clean, prep the surface by wiping it down fully with the alcohol pads. Then remove the 3M double-sided adhesive tape backing and use the adhesive promoter on both the decklid contact area and the double-sided 3M adhesive tape of your new RTR spoiler. Now place the RTR rear spoiler using the OEM outer holes as a guide and then press down firmly to ensure proper adhesion. With the RTR rear spoiler now in place, secure it using the provided 10mm nuts. With your RTR spoiler now firmly in place, all that you need to do is replace your 2 outer grommets and remount the OEM decklid carpet, and you're ready to rock. If you like this product or any of the other great product we have available for the 18 to 21 Mustang GT or EcoBoost, make sure to check out rtrvehicles.com for this product and many others. And if you want to start looking fancy like myself or any of my other teammates, go ahead and check out any of our shirts, hats, or hoodies available on the website as well. I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and I'll catch you guys on the other side of fun. Whoa!